Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I hope this video finds you well. I hope you're doing great today. Hope you're doing great tonight, this evening, whenever you find this video, wherever you are in the world. I hope this does you very well. So today, I'm gonna be working on this Piper 6X. They only made this airplane for 2 years. This aircraft is very, very cool. It's nice, it's beautiful. It's been well taken care of. And we're gonna make it look absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna be doing everything from the bright work on over to doing the full paint correction on this aircraft. Looks great right now, but gonna make it look even better. About to start polishing this wing. It just worked all the way around the other side of the aircraft. I'm gonna let you see this. A little bit of this process here. This plane is absolutely gorgeous. Got it cleaned up.